Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I wanted to show you how organizing my bigger planes for storage in my garage. I've had this bigger, I don't know what it is, plywood OSB panel that I stuck on my wall because I might be moving these planes around, and rather than poking holes in the wall, I'll just do it on the board. And I have several ways of hanging them. I have those pipes, which are actually table legs. I just got some more because I think it's a good way to save space, and this pipe insulation to go over them. And yeah, that way they're horizontal, they take up a lot less space. I also 3D printed some supports. I found these on Thingiverse. I'll include the link in the description. But they worked fine for some time. But I had my T28 hanging here, and these broke. Not sure why. Maybe because I didn't use full infill. I've had it hanging on supports like these before for a few months, and it went fine. But maybe my print settings were different, and I'm not sure what the old ones are, so I'm gonna hang it like that as well. For my Timber X, I found some other supports to 3D print. I don't know if you can see them. And since I take the wing off anyway, I use these hooks to store the wings. It saves a bit of space. Yeah, it's a bit crowded and need to pay attention whenever I'm taking something off, but these, it's real easy. Just slide the wheels in here, and that's about it. And another thing I found at the hardware store are these adjustable hooks. You see they have the set screw here, so I can store other types of planes that don't have wheels. Planes like this 3D printed one I'm working on. You can just put it in like that on the hooks, and the wing as well. It's pretty wide. It's not done yet. Hopefully I'll have it done and flying soon. Yeah, so just rearrange my garage hoping my car would fit in. It does, but barely with the other stuff I have around here. So if I'm not gonna put my car inside, at least have some decent storage for the airplanes. There's a few more that need to go on there, and this is what they look like now. Still have a couple of more jets I need to assemble and fix up, and I'll probably move the Habu to the left a bit, clear up some more space. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!